Yesterday, on Sunday, April 23, Fuengirola held its 12th Dog Day, Dia del Perro, at Sahel Castle. The event started at 10 a.m. at Plaza de España, where the traditional canine march began, and ended at the castle. According to councillors Javier Garcia Lara and Antonio Carrasco of Health and Urban Ecology, respectively, this year's event included not only the usual activities such as canine exhibitions, parades, and raffles from previous years, but also a sports circuit for owners to exercise with their pets. The councillor mentioned that the event started at Plaza de España, where the participants were given bones with bags and foldable water bowls. From Plaza de España, the walk went through Paseo Marítimo to the castle, where tents were set up to host various associations and businesses that collaborated in the event, the sports circuits, etc. For this 2023 edition, Lara noted that there were some novelties, including canicross races to focus on sports where owners can practice together with their pets. 2 circuits, one for children and another for adults, were organized around the castle. The National Police Canine Guide Unit of Malaga was responsible for carrying out exhibitions of the work developed by their dogs. The Animal Domus shelter had a stand throughout the event with dogs that were up for adoption at the time of the event. Associations such as PAD, Perritos del Higueron, Galgos 112, Galgos en Familia, etc. were also present at the event. In addition, there were different stands managed by companies and businesses in Fuengirola. The day also featured the participation of AFA Fuengirola Mijas, Association of Relatives with Alzheimer's, who made food and drinks available to attendees. Thanks for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all my future content. And if you want to see more great videos like this one, be sure to check out my channel and explore all the other amazing content there. If you have any questions, then ask away in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.